Okay guys, I'm working here on a F150. This is the only car you could work on four-wheel, really take out the lock pretty easy and put it back on. We're going to take out the screws with Allen. If you don't have one you built or have one, just use the manually one. You take the cover off. See? Once we take out the cover, we're going to have, we want to use a 10mm socket to take both of these screws out. You're not going to take it out completely, you're going to still leave them on. You want to catch it on it. So it gives us some space to move this plastic. Once we do that, we have here a C-clamp in the back. Can you see the C-clamp over there? Basically the C-clamp right here. Now it's coming out. This is basically the C-clamp. You take it out. And then you pull manually with your finger underneath. You're going to push and pick up this plastic. This black plastic will come out. And then we can take out the lock. We take out the C-clamp again. I don't want to lose any part. This one you could put only back in one way, basically. You could really put it also like this, but you figure out that's not correct. We're going to take a little flat screwdriver and open the head. Not all of them go out that fast. Sometimes you have to knock on this to take it out, especially when it's old. Once you take it out, you have the wafers in your hand. So we're basically done. This is number one. This is easier than taking out a code. Not on leashy. It depends how you're with leashy. But if you're good with leashy, this is not the option. Leashy is the best option always. 1, 3, and you want to put everything in order. 1, 3. Now we're going to go to the other side. Let's see what number are we getting here. Like you can see, guys, it's 5. You don't have to fight it, you just have to take it out in a specific position. Another 5. And 3. So we have so we have 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3. And then we're missing number 7 and 8. And that's it. Once you're done, you put back everything. I'll do it pretty quick for you guys. Sorry, this is the last one. This is if you get if you do a mistake with this, you're gonna be on this car for days. So let's put back everything complete from side to side. We're missing here the spring. Most cases when this happens, I just don't put that one in. And boom, we're good to go basically. Basically do need a key to put everything back in place. But once you put even a flat key, many times this will go back into place also without a flat key, you know what? Here. If it doesn't work on one side, just flip it to the other side. Once we do that, we're gonna put back the cover. Sorry. Take back the cover. Put back the cover the way we took it out. Good to go. Once we do that, we're gonna put this. Put back the C-clamp. Put it back in place. So we will move a little bit the plastic on my other side over here. We'll catch the plastic and try to give me some space to move. I'll pick up this black plastic, sorry, on the back over here, and if it doesn't slide back in smooth, that means the cap is not sitting correctly. So I think I just fixed it. I'll slide this again back in this place. Yep, everything sits back in place. What I do is sometimes make it wider, just to catch it. Sorry, to release. And it's gonna sit back on his rail. You're gonna see there's a rail for it. That's basically on it. Once we're done, we're going to put this back in place. This back in place with the Allen screws, and we're done.